Let's summarize what we learned in Lesson 18, Chapter 18. So this lesson really introduced us to the core of what responsive web design is, which is all about media queries with breakpoints. We learned that with CSS media queries, we can create style sheets that are written explicitly for the devices that we want to define. We learned that we can create style sheets only for specific media types, or we can take more granular control with media features. We also learned how to create media query expressions. We talked a little bit about what a breakpoint is and how to choose good breakpoints for responsive design, such as resizing your site and see when it breaks and adding a breakpoint there, and not just using a standard width for a standard device. You want to set breakpoints based on your content and your site and your code that you created. And we also learned how to use the CSS to create media queries around those breakpoints. We learned how to create media queries that detect Retina and other high pixel density devices. And we went over some examples of what this looks like when you use media queries to define the width of the device. So practice some of those examples, go over the questions, use your alternate resources, and then just get in a good habit and mindset of designing for mobile devices first and always keeping the user's device in mind when you're developing a website. Next time we will be back with Lesson 19, Chapter 19, so I will see you then.